There's nothing worse than being on a campsite or venturing off the beaten track to find you've got zero mobile or Wi-Fi signal. We've all been there. I first want to introduce you to the Connect Play from KUMA. It's your ultimate portable 4G and indoor suction mount antenna, which is built for life on the move. Right, so what else we got in the box? Straight away, this looks like it's the router. It's in a bag. Yeah, so first impressions, it's actually smaller than what I thought it would be. Right, so now we have the DC 12 volt adapter. So it's like a power supply, which will go into your cigarette style push-in connection. Now we have, what are these ones? So we have 4 antennas all together, and this one is the 2 Wi-Fi ones by the looks of it. Yeah, they're 2 Wi-Fi. So I'll just screw one in now, just for the purpose of showing you guys. So it literally just screws in. It's dead simple, and then you can reposition these anywhere you want to get the best signal going out to your devices. In fact, I'll put the other one on. It really is that easy. See what I mean? They just screw in. Dead simple. We're going to be plugging in this Play 5G and 4G antenna, and then the purpose for this is you can literally mount it anywhere around the caravan, and it's supposed to give you a better signal just all around. The beauty about this is there's 3 different types of SD cards you can have. You can have the bigger one, you can have the micro SIM card, and also the nano SIM card. SIM card that I'm going to be using, and it is the nano SIM. And here we have the router, and then up here we have the 12 volt DC supply coming in, so I'm just going to plug that in, and then we'll see what happens. So first off, a whole load of lights just popped up. It's just doing its thing, and literally within, well, probably 10 seconds, I don't know if you can see there, we did have the Wi-Fi light come on, and then the bottom light come on, which said we have 4G, and then this one here with the arrow pointing to that light, which is now flashing, is now telling us that we now have access to the internet and to data. So I'm going to set it up to the phone now, and then we'll see what the internet speed's like. Right, so I've placed the router just over here and the antenna using the suction cup just up in the window. I'm now going to use speed test, and we'll see what megabytes per second we're actually getting from the router. So straight away up to 7, 8, 9, 10, nearly 11 megabits per second. 11, there you have it. And then we have an upload speed of just over around about 5 megabits per second. And we generally don't get a signal at all. We have 4G, I mean our phones are 5G, and the signal is always low. So if we're outside, so that is good to see that it is, you know, throwing out that amount of megabytes per second, because we are in a very, very poor location. So now I'm going to try a couple of devices, and I'm just going to run them for 10 or 15 minutes. So all 3 devices have been connected, and there's been no lag. They're getting straight through. So first impressions are really, really impressed with that. If you're all looking at buying this package, this is the 4G Play package. It comes with the antenna and the router. Then you can go in the KUMA website, so I will leave a link in the description. And if you do put in Travel Northerners in the coupon code, in the voucher code, then you will get £20 off. So it's definitely worth it. I think this package is coming in roughly around about £220, £229.